In front of me is CUBOT X20, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this phone. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select System, and go to Date and Time. And here you can either use automatic date and time, or you can switch it off and pick date and time. So you can now customize it manually by yourself. As you can see, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can choose whatever you want to. And then it's the same story with automatic time zone. It can be turned off, and then you can choose it from the list. At first, pick the region, and then time zone if available. And this is it. Also, you can change the format of your clock, so you can either use 24-hour format clock, 12-hour format clock, or you can pick automatic, so it will be local default. Then you can also pick the date format, and also choose it in accordance with your own preferences. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.